Today we're going to take a look at the Optronics Opti-Bright LED flood beam square work light with the handle. Now this is a square work light that provides a nice bright white light for industrial, agricultural, and recreational applications. It has a nice contoured lens that allows the wide-angled flood beam. The flood beam does illuminate a wide 140-degree area. Up at the top here you can see it has this nice built-in handle that allows you to control the direction of the light. This light does use the durable SMT, which is surface mount technology construction of the LED circuit board. That construction will better withstand shock and vibration. It allows for improved heat distribution. The LEDs on this light make great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last 50 times longer. They're more efficient, provide a brighter light with less power output, and of course no bulbs to replace or no brittle filaments to break. This is a nice durable, water-resistant construction. Has a black powder-coated die-cast aluminum housing, which is very durable and rust-proof. The lens is a tough polycarbonate lens, which is impact-resistant. And this light does meet the IP69K rating, which means it stands up to severe environmental conditions. This light is compatible with 12-volt DC and 24-volt DC system. Very easy installation. You can see it's a single-bolt pedestal-style bracket, and the hardware is all included for installation. And it is an adjustable bracket to let you adjust the angle of the light as needed. It's a stainless steel construction, and on the hardware it helps resist corrosion. On the back you can see the wire coming out. It's a 10-inch long 14-gauge power lead and ground wire. Also, if you notice right in the middle here, it has a nice on and off switch right at the back of the light. A few specs on it. It's a quantity of one light. The light output, effective lumen output, is 1,492 lumens. Raw lumen output is 2,160 lumens. It does use 9 LEDs. Power draw on this at 12.8 volts is 1.48 amps. At 24 volts is 0.7 amps. There is a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. And last thing I want to do is give you some dimensions, and then we'll hook it up to show you how bright it is. So the overall dimensions on this, and when we do overall, we're going to do when this is mounted. So we're going to do from the mounting bracket up to the top of the handle. So if we do that, let's see if we can get a good idea here. Hold the bracket, and then we'll go ahead and put the ruler on it. Up to the very top of the handle is going to be 7.5 inches tall. Overall width is 5 inches wide. And the total depth from the very front to the back of the button is right at 3¼ inches deep. The light face itself is going to be right at 5 inches wide and about 4.5 inches tall. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and hook up our wiring. The white wire will be our ground, and the black wire will be our power wire. So once we have those hooked up, turn on our power, and then our button on the back, if we turn it on, you can see how bright it is with the lights on. I'll go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And you can see the 9 LEDs give off a very bright flood beam pattern. And as we mentioned, it's about a 140-degree area. And button right at the back, so you can turn it off, turn it on. Very easy to access. Go ahead and turn back on overhead lights. But that should do it for the review on the Optronics Opti-Bright LED flood beam square work light with the handle.